Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday morning. It's raining outside, but that's okay. We need it. Last night I prepared pasta with chicken and mushrooms in a creamy sauce. It's okay. It's okay. I'll still post it up for you. You can play with it, have fun with it, and see what you can do with it. Tonight, I'm preparing veggie fried rice. Now, I don't really need a recipe for this because I do various versions of this that I've been doing for years and years and years. I just wanted to have some fun. Let's take a look. Got the champion out. Yes, the wok is out. And the vessel for the rice. Vegetables. Green onions. Yellow onion that is. Red bell pepper. A carrot. I'm going to add a diced jalapeno. Garlic, of course. Snap peas. I might use them, maybe not. I don't know. What's fun about this, you can use any vegetables you like. Yes, I might change this up. I don't know. Of course, you're going to have some soy sauce. I'm going to do a twist on this. I'm doing more of a palau than a traditional Chinese fried rice. I'm going to use my garam masala, some cumin, and some coriander. Of course, you've got to have rice for fried rice. So here's the goodies, well, as of now, for tonight's veggie fried rice. Website update. Two things. The recipe section, yes, the recipe section. I'm about ready to pull the trigger on it. It's going to be scarce in recipes at first. But I will be adding recipes on a very regular basis. So just stay tuned with that. And the shopping cart, again, I'm ready to pull the trigger. Just got a few more minor details that I need to address. I mean, I got the shipping thing going on. All right, so that's coming. Man, it's been a long week. Okay, on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.